Just cross check in the YouTube channel whether it is coming or not. And team like who are watching, I know uh, everyone are celebrating the great success that Chandrayaan 3 like
Entire ISRO community has come to fruition.
Is resonating
thank
across
you,
the
like
globe.
great congratulations to all the scientists and who are there in the team, and like everyone who are there in India. I think every Indian is uh, very proud of this moment, right? Deem, do you want to say something about Chandrayaan 3 just for 30 seconds like that? Then we can focus on our training. Hello, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just show your love towards our ISRO success. Chandrayaan 3. If you are watching this video, just click on that like button so that at least this our training will reach more people. And congratulations to the, all our Indians, and it's a great moment for us. Okay, okay, we can celebrate after the session, and definitely now at least we can focus on the topic. Okay, team, are you ready to learn the most important topics in JavaScript? Of course, I used to say the same thing every day, but yes, definitely it's very important. Ready? How's the Josh today?
Hi, sir.
Hi, sir.
Hi, sir.
Okay, fantastic. So let's focus on like where we have left yesterday. So yesterday we are discussing about the sorting, right? Okay. So today what we are going to learn is we are going to learn what is a callback function, and we are going to learn what is a higher order function in JavaScript, and we are going to learn advantage of arrow function. Okay, we are going to see the advantage of arrow function. Of course, lots of advantages with the arrow function on callback functions and all these things, but we are going to learn at least basics today. Okay, and what is the need of the callback function, and what is the advantage, and in how many situations we are going to use it. Okay, let's discuss what we have done yesterday. So we have an array. We have array. Suppose if you want to sort, okay, already we have a predefined array method. We have, just a minute, someone is trying to join. Okay, we have predefined array method. So if anyone wants to join, please try to join within fast 5 minutes. Okay, please. Otherwise, everyone time will be waste. Okay, fine. So if you do array.sort console.log array, we know that it is going to sort the array in a proper way. So at the same time, if I do something like this, so if we take two digit number, then the problem will come. So just tell me what will happen for this array 2, whether it is going to sort in a proper way or not. Let's see the output. What we understand yesterday. Tell me.
It will not sort,
It
I
will
think.
not start.
Will not start, sir.
The second one is not going to sort properly. Of course, we can discuss why it is not working properly in coming sessions. But here today, how to fix this one? Okay, because if you use the single digit number, yes, it is working properly. That predefined sort method of array, but if you use a multi like more than one digit, definitely it will give a wrong results for us. Okay, for that, how to fix this now? just we need to pass a callback function. Just remember, we need to pass a callback function to the sort method. Okay, what I'm writing here, I'm just using a simple arrow function syntax. Hopefully you didn't forget. Okay, here what I'm doing, just writing a comma b, and here I'm just doing a minus b. So this is a simple function, right? This is a simple function. Even if you forgot what is the arrow function, just I will do one thing. Just write down a function, okay, function, and it will take two arguments, and it will do what it will do? Return a minus b. So this is a simple function. So instead of using this much syntax, we can do a simple arrow function. So just arrow, sorry, that we are taking a comma b, like random variable names, so a minus b. So this is the callback function. This is the callback function. Okay, but what is callback function and everything we are going to learn today. So now, observe carefully. Now if I run the same program with the help of that callback function, is working properly or not?
Yes, sir.
Team who are watching,
Yes, sir.
yes. So how to fix this one? Suppose if you give any numbers now, it is going to sort properly. Okay, 15, 17, 31, 66 to 28 and 898 and 4,34,444. So it is working properly. So this is because array methods, a few array methods, we need to pass the callback function. Okay, even did you get a chance to learn set timeout or set interval? So for that also we need to pass the callback function, right? But this is the just a beginning to learn the what is a callback function. So now, are you ready to learn what is a callback function? Just ping me in the comment section, yes or no, or ready in the chat, or who are watching the things in YouTube. Yeah, just ping me in the comment section, ready or not, because this is the most important point, and this is the great turning point towards more important topics as well. Okay, very good. So let's go back to the simple basics, then I will come to this point again. Here, as I said, we are going to understand the fundamentals of callback function, and we are going
Yes.
to, yeah, tell me, sorry, you're asking anything? Okay, fine. So this is like we are going to understand the fundamentals of callback function and arrow function, and at the same time higher order function. Okay, let's say, let's just write down simple logic so that we can habituate it towards the callback function. So I'm just writing a simple function. The function like add. Okay, otherwise greeting. Okay, what is this function name? Or simpler way, just greet. Just greet. So whenever we invoke this function, I'm just writing console.log, console.log, hello JavaScript. Okay, hello JavaScript. So if I do greet, so what will be the output for this program?
Hello, JavaScript.
Yeah, everyone knows that it is going to invoke this function. It will create an execution context, and it will execute this in a second phase of the process. So we will get hello JavaScript. So if I pass the message, suppose I'm just passing the message like um, hello, so JavaScript. I'm passing the message JavaScript, and here I'm just putting like EMSG. Here, what I'm doing, MSG. So now, what will happen? What is the output of this program?
Hello JavaScript only.
Hello, JavaScript.
Same thing, right? So previously, just we have executed console.log hello JavaScript simply, but here what we are doing, we are passing a string to a function. So just tell me here, what is this string? What we can call parameter or argument?
Argument.
Arguments.
Very good. What is this MSG?
Parameter.
Parameter.
Very good. So now, yeah, if you pass the hello JavaScript, it is going to print hello JavaScript, right? So what I'm doing here, I'm just passing like 10,000. So if I put some A, okay, I'm just doing console.log of A. What will happen?
It
What is
will
out?
print
It will print.
Hello JavaScript and 10,000.
10,000.
It will print hello JavaScript and 10,000. Okay, very good, very good. So here, if I pass 10 comma 20, what will happen? Tell me what will happen.
10, 20.
Array of 10, 20.
So maybe some, if I ask the simple questions, maybe you are not interested to answer. Okay, but please answer, because if you want to understand callback functions, yeah, I'm just adding some foundation for that. Okay, please try to answer it. So what will happen? It will print
JavaScript
because
array of 10.
yeah, this
Hello
array is going to store in a
A
variable A,
variable.
right? In a parameter, and then you can use it, right? You can use it. So what will happen if I do A of 0?
10.
Yeah, it will print.
10.
Yeah, that means if I give an array to you, that's your choice. Okay, that the choice of greet function. Okay, you want to display the entire array, or if you want to display one item, that is his choice. Okay, in the same way, I'm just putting, again, observe carefully, I'm just putting B. Here, I'm just passing an object. Is this the right way, or is there any problem for us? So if I do console.log B, what will happen? Whether it will throw an error or it will print object information.
It will print, sir.
Print object info.
It will print object information. But if you want to do anything with that object, yeah, you can go ahead and you can do it. So now tell me what will happen. What will happen? So if because so far we have passed the string and we have tested with a number also, and we can pass as an argument of an array, and we just passed object also. Now why can't we pass a function? Okay, right now I'm just passing the function. Here I'm just putting console.log, just console.log. Okay, okay. If I do see, now tell me whether it will throw an error or it will, what will be the output for this program?
Maybe it will store function definition.
It will store the function definition in the C.
I think so.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what everyone should answer.
Yes,
What,
sir.
this hello JavaScript is going to store in MSG, and this
MSG.
array information is going to store in
A.
A, and this object is going to store in
B.
B.
B. In the same way, it should store this function also into C, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes,
So
sir.
let's see what will happen. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
it is storing the function. So if you want to give a name for that, yeah, okay, no problem. Now tell me here, whenever I do console.log of C, whether it will print a function name as C or Chandrayaan. We are passing this function into C, and right now we are doing console.log of C. What will happen?
Function definitions.
Function
Definition.
definition of Chandrayaan.
Okay, very good. The function in that function definition, it will be C or Chandrayaan,
Chandrayaan.
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 right? What is the value of C? It is just storing the function, right? So is it possible to invoke this function inside that?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sure. So then what will
yes, sir.
happen?
Sir,
It will
Then
print
it will
hello
print
JavaScript,
Chandrayaan
it
print.
will print 10, it
Children.
will print object information. Here it will print function definition. Here it is going to invoke
Chandrayaan
function and it will
fun-
execute console.log of 3. Let's see whether it is working or not properly. Here, working right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this function, now this function is the callback function. That's it. Understood? So here, this is the function. Okay, this is a function greet. Okay, this is the function greet, and you are invoking that function. Okay, while we are invoking the function, we can pass string as an argument. We can pass array also an argument. If we can pass object also as an argument, in the same way, we can pass. We can pass
Function
Function
as
of
an argument.
Function.
function also as an
an
As an
argument
argument.
to another function. So if you pass a function as an argument to another function, then this function is called
Callback.
Callback.
callback function. That's it. Understood or not, everyone? Understood or not?
understood, sir.
Yes, this is a
Understood.
simple
Yes, sir.
definition. This is a simple logic. Yeah. Okay. Now tell me, everyone, just tell me what is a callback function.
When we pass function as an argument to another function, then it is called callback function.
Yeah. Just everyone, just type in the comment section. If you're there in a Google Meet, just type here only. If you're watching this video in the YouTube, just comment in the comment section so that at least you will remember the definition. Write down the definition because this is very, 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 very important. You should understand what is a callback function. At the same time, you should remember the definition of the callback function because we are going to learn asynchronous programming in JavaScript also very, very soon. So if you want to understand how JavaScript is working asynchronously, okay, we need a strong foundation on top of callback functions. When we pass function as an argument to another function, then the passing function, okay, that the passing function as a callback function. Understood, everyone? Because now we are going to learn what is higher order function also. That's why just note down properly so that you can understand what is the difference between callback function and higher order function. Done, everyone? Hopefully I got answers from 1, 2, 3. Only 3 people. I need answers from everyone. Pankaj, what you are doing? Sujata, what you are doing? Pavan,
We have
Sir,
replied.
I replied on YouTube, sir.
sorry?
I replied on YouTube.
Okay, that is also fine.
I have given reply here only, sir.
Okay, I've seen Mayur, Sujata. Okay, Sujata done. Mayur done. Sai Kumar done. Pawan Kumar done. Okay, very good, very good. So just come back. Just leave and come back and focus on the next. So this is simply a callback function. This is simply a callback function. This is simply a callback function. So now we can understand what is a higher order function. Okay, what is higher order function? So here this Chandrayaan is the callback function, and this greet is the higher order function. What I'm saying in this example, greet is the
Higher order function.
what is the callback function in this program? That is
Chandran.
okay. Then what actually what is the meaning of higher order function? Okay, I'm just explaining. If a function accept another function as a parameter, you observe carefully. If a function, okay, here the function is greet,
Chandran.
accepting, right, accepting this function as a parameter, right? What is there inside C?
Function, sir.
Function
Function,
only.
sir.
Yeah. If a function, okay, just by the nature, if any function which can accept any other function as a parameter, or or if a function returns a function, okay, either if you accept any other function as a parameter, then we can call it as a higher order function. Okay, either you can accept one function or many function, doesn't matter, then we can call it as a higher order function. Or I'm just giving or. So even suppose you don't have any function as a parameter, okay, no one is passing a function as a parameter, no one is passing function as a parameter, but suppose in some situations you're returning some other function from this function. So here you can return, okay, some from here. So in this situation also we can call greet as a higher order.
Higher order function.
Okay, now tell me what is higher order function?
If the function accepts another function as an parameter or
Parameter.
it returns another function, then we'll call that function as higher order function.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, it can accept either one function as a parameter or multiple functions as a parameters, doesn't matter, so we can call it as a higher order function. So just ping me in that comment section and note down in your notebook or somewhere, this is the most important thing. Okay, you should revise, you should do if you need to do practice. Actually, you should understand the concept properly, then only you can remember the definition. Don't by heart the definition like that. Okay, so just now tell me what is higher order function. Yeah. If a function accepts another function as a parameter is known as a higher order function, or another one is that another situation is also there. Okay, if the function accepts or return another function, then it is called a simple higher order function. Yeah. If a function accepts one or more function as a parameter, or when a function returns a function, then it is called a higher order function. Yes, that's simply a higher order function. Very good. Everyone just ping me in the comment section. So in interviews, they will ask what is callback function. At the time, just write down a function and pass another function as an argument. Then explain him that this is the callback function, and who is accepting a function as an parameter, that is a higher order function. Simply, what is the use of this callback function? What is the use of higher order function? Yes, we are going to learn in detail. Okay, hopefully understood everyone. So now in this program, the greet is the higher order function because we are returning, it is returning a function from that function. Or if you go back, what we have done in few minutes back. So now here this Chandrayaan is the callback function and this greet is the higher order function. And observe carefully, is it clear for everyone? Just tell me yes or no. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Everyone
Yes,
should
sir.
say
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
yes, fantastic. So now we can understand what is the importance of arrow function. Okay, do you remember how to write the arrow function, or can I explain one more time?
Sir, can you please explain?
Arrow function also one more time. Okay, suppose if you write, we can write a function like this, right? Function hello. So now I can write console.log. What we can do? We can invoke this function simply, right? So what will be the output for this one? We know it will
Hello.
print hello. So we can write this function. Of course, observe carefully. Observe carefully. So whether it is a function definition or function statement or function expression, something. What is this?
Definition. Function
Function
definition.
statement or function definition?
Definition.
Function definition.
Definitely.
Sure.
Sure, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I forgot. That's why I'm asking because I used to forgot these namings. Okay, fine. What you're saying? This is a function definition or statement. Okay, fine. So let me recollect again. So if you see, we can do in another way. So we can store a function in a variable, right? Where a equal to or simply is it right or wrong? Can we store a function inside a variable?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Then what we can call?
Function statement.
Function statement.
Function
Expression.
So
expression. Expression.
Function expressions.
Function expression.
function
Expression.
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 Expressions.
What was the previous one? Normal function?
Functions.
Function.
Function
Function
definition.
statement. Definition. Or
Function
statement.
statement.
Statement or
Statement.
Definition.
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 Yes. We can.
definition. So just please that if we that's why I'm saying we should revise every week so that then only we will remember all these things. Okay. Okay, fine. At least you understand the concept. That is good. So we can store a function. We can store a function into a variable and we can invoke it. We can invoke it. Okay. Yes, it's working. So, but if you see, we can write this function in a shorter way with the help of arrow function. Okay. Observe carefully how I'm just converting a normal function into arrow function. Okay. Right now, we can understand the importance of an arrow function in a syntax wise. Actually, logically, arrow functions has many more advantages. Those things we can learn in coming days. Okay, fine. So this is a simple function, right? Okay, I'm just trying to create another function with the arrow function syntax. So here, this bar. So what you can do, okay, syntax wise, arrow functions are very simple. Okay, here just remove this function keyword. Just remove the function keyword and just give an arrow. Got it?
Uh,
I'm just saying syntax wise. Understood or not? This is equal to this one. Okay, or even you can give the hello also. Okay, and I'm just giving A and here B. So if we invoke A, what will happen?
Hello.
It will print hello. If we invoke B, what will happen?
Hello.
Hello.
Yes. So this is a simple arrow function. Okay, got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So we can have a multiple, and even we no need to give a curly braces also if you have only one statement. Okay, right? How many statements are there?
One statement.
Only
One
one.
statement. Okay, and so observe carefully. It looks similar or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will give you one more good example for arrow functions. Then we can jump back to our topic. So here I'm just writing function add. Okay. So here what we can do, we can expect x comma y, and we can do return x plus y. Observe carefully. This is very important. Okay. Now if I do add of 10 comma 20, what will happen?
It won't print anything, sir.
Okay. Now if I do console.log, yeah. Now tell me what will happen?
30, sir.
He will be
It will
print.
print 30. Okay, everyone knows that. So now let's convert this into an arrow function. Okay. So first I'm just making it as a function expression. So var add equal to what we can do, function, right? Observe carefully. I'm just changing the syntax on here. So here function, what function is expecting? How many parameters are there? Two
Two
parameters.
functions.
One is
Two
x and
parameters.
another one is y. So again we have a return statement, right? What is the return statement? X plus. Now tell me whether it will work or not.
It will work, sir.
Yeah, it is
Sir,
it is same as this one. This is just a function statement, and this is a function
expression.
expression. Okay, so observe carefully. Yes, it will work in a similar fashion. So now we can convert this into an arrow function and see how simple is the syntax. Okay, now I am converting var add. Tell me what we need to arrow function means just like this, right? So here we just only thing is we can remove that function keyword and we need to put arrow in
Arrow.
between that parenthesis and curly braces. Okay, fine. So what are the parameters we have? X comma,
X comma Y.
and then what is there inside the curly
Return
braces?
X plus Y. Return X plus
X
Y.
plus y. So whether it is going to work properly or not,
will works.
It will work,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
will
Yes, sir.
work. Right, is working properly. And we can minimize one more level. Okay, yes, this is arrow function only. This is arrow function, and we are using function expression, right? Sorry, yeah, function expression only. I used to get confused with the namings. So this is arrow function. So now we can minimize the syntax one more level. So if you see if you have only one statement, I'm saying in that curly braces, if you have only one statement, you no need to use curly
Curly
braces.
braces.
And even if you have a written statement, even if you remove that, by default it will return. Okay, whether it will work or not. Tell me whether it is work or not.
It will work.
Because even if you have a written statement, okay, if you have only one expression, just remove curly braces and even you can return. You can remove the return statement. Okay, by default it will return that value. So that is the magic of arrow function. Okay or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you love arrow functions or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, syntax wise, it's very simple, right? And we have many advantages. Those things we can learn in coming days. Okay, everyone, understood or not? How to write arrow function? What are the advantages? Syntax wise, there is a huge advantage today. We have seen. Just ping me in the comment section, yes or no, understood or not, how to write a arrow function. Just ping me yes or no. That's it. Okay. Now I will tell you one more simple thing in some other situation. Okay. Let's write another one. So what is a area of square? What is the formula for area of a square? Area of a square.
Side square.
Side into side, right? Suppose here writing the formula. What is that? Area. We can write like this, right? Function. So if we give area, what you will do? Return a
Into A.
into
Into A.
fantastic. So now just I'm going to write with the help of arrow functions. Okay, I'm just writing same thing with the help of arrow functions. Observe carefully. Same var area equal to. So what we need to do? We can remove the function keyword and add arrow, right? So this is a, and what we are doing here?
A
Return
into
a into. Yeah, fantastic. Let's see whether it is working or not. Okay. Console.log area. What we need to pass? 5. What will be the output for this one?
25.
25. Okay. Let me. Okay, 25. So now we can simplify one more level. Just tell me whatever you understand in the last discussion. Where area
Area
equal to
equal to A arrow function
Arrow function.
A into A.
a into a, right?
Into A.
We can
Yes.
Yes.
remove the curly braces, even we can remove the return statement. Yes, it is working fine. Let's see. Working or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. We can simplify one more level. Observe carefully. Here, how many parameters are there here?
One.
And
Yeah.
One, sir.
When you have only one parameter, what you can do? Even you can remove that parenthesis also. Area equal to a into. That's it. Whether it will work or not.
will work.
It will work.
Okay. What is the rule? According to the definitions. So if you have only one statement, you don't need
Curly
curly
braces.
braces. Even if you are returning, just remove that return statement. Still, it will return that value. And even if you have only one parameter, what we can do?
We can remove parentheses.
We can remove parentheses also. So now tell me, do you love arrow functions or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just ping me in the comment section. Understood or not? So today we understand arrow function, not completely because lots of things are there. Okay, this is just a beginning. We understand what is a callback function and what is a higher order function and what is, okay, how to write arrow functions, how to simplify the syntax with the help of arrow functions. Okay, understood everyone? Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. Okay, let's see. So we can just understand the real time importance of a callback function and arrow function and with the help of higher order function. Okay, are you ready to understand the real time example?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, where is that sort one? I've removed sorting one. Yeah, okay, fine, no problem. So let me clean the code, write everything. So sorting is bit difficult. Okay, I will give you one more simple example for you. Okay, so I'm just taking an array. I'm just taking an array, constant array. So I'm just writing 10, 20. Okay, otherwise we can take marks details. Okay, suppose 90 and 34 and 78 and 56 and 22 and 29. Okay, I've taken 6 subject details. Just tell me, okay, how many subjects I have failed. In how many subjects I have failed? So suppose if you get more than, suppose less than 35, that means it's failed, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, how to write the logic to get what are the how many subject? Okay, I need the subject details which I have failed. Is there any predefined array method is there for that? Anyone? Did you get a chance to learn any array methods which is useful in this situation?
Some are every.
Some or every, even I'm not sure whether that will be useful here. Another simple one. Okay, maybe some or every because I didn't practice that today, so that I'm not able to recollect. Okay, another simple one is there. Simple one. Now tell me. I have given clue also.
Filter.
Filter, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What we can do? Array dot
Filter.
filter. Then what we need to do?
Callback function.
Yeah. This filter is a higher order function. Observe carefully. What is the higher order? What is the definition of higher order function?
It will accept
It will
another
accept
function as a parameter.
function as an
A function as a
parameter
parameter.
or return. So this filter, sort, map, for each, all these are higher order functions. Okay, all these are higher order functions. So this filter expects a callback function. Okay, if you pass any function as an argument to any other function, we can call it as that the passing function as a callback function, right? So filter, here we can pass a simple function. Okay, I'm just passing a function that is simply what I'm writing, item arrow mark item less than 35. Okay, tell me what it is.
Callback function.
Is this a function or something else?
Function only, sir.
Arrow
Function only,
function.
right?
Arrow
Yes.
function.
Okay, let's do one thing. So I'm just putting constant a equal to, okay, this is a simply a function, right? So from arrow function, if you are able to write normal function, just tell me what is the definition. for this function?
Function. Yeah.
Item.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell me, return.
Item less than 35.
Okay, this is the syntax. Okay, fine. Very good, very good. Hopefully you understand that. So okay, this is simply a arrow function. So if you give a callback function, okay, we have written in the style of arrow function. Okay, in the style of arrow function syntax. So what it will do, it will execute this arrow function. It will execute this item less than 35. It will execute this arrow function on each and every item. Now tell me whether 90 is less than or equal to 35 or not.
No.
No. Yes, correct, right? That is no. 90 is greater than, right? Yeah, you have given right answer. Okay, 34 is less than 35 or not.
Yes.
So what it will do, what filter will do, it will execute this callback function on each and every item in that array, and it will check whether it is satisfying this condition. Okay, if it is satisfying that condition, I think people are celebrating the Chandrayaan. Let them finish. Okay, fine. So it will execute this callback function on each and every item in the array. If it is matches, then it will create a new array. So if you see, so it will return a new array. Okay, constant output. So observe carefully. What happened here? Item less than 35. So 90 is less than 35, false, so that it is not going to push 90 into out. So 34 is less than 35, true, right?
Yes.
True. Then it will push this 34 into this array. Okay. Of course, it will create an array by the end of that the logic, the filter logic. It will return the whole array into this out. So what will be the output for out now? Console.log. Just tell me what will be the output for this program.
34, array of 34, 22, 29.
Okay. Agreed, everyone? Or do you have any other answers?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Agreed.
So now tell me, what is this?
The callback function.
Yes, callback function. What is this?
Higher order
function.
Okay. What is the syntax of this function?
Callback function.
Yeah, this is a callback function. Filter is the higher order function, and we have used syntax of arrow function. Okay, arrow
Arrow
functions
function.
are introduced in which version of ECMA?
Yes. Yes.
Higher order function.
ECMA 2015, that is equivalent to yes.
Six.
Normally, people will ask you in interview whenever you whenever you attend interview, most of the interviewers will ask, okay, what are the ES6 features? Okay, just tell me what are the ES6 features which you have learned already.
Let const.
Let constant.
So far we have learned let
Let
and
const.
const, and then
Arrow function.
Arrow function.
and then classes, right? We have covered classes or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, classes also introduced in 2015. Before that, there is no class concept in JavaScript. Okay, we were using prototypal inheritance. Okay, that is a different concept. Yes, we are going to learn. Okay, so that's all for today. So now tell me what we have learned today. What are the concepts?
Callback function. Higher
Callback.
order function.
Callback function. Higher order function.
Okay, lots of things we understand. Callback function, we understand higher order function. and we understand how to write arrow function, and at the same time we have learned how to use fill. Same time, Chandrayaan 3 is also successful. And now, okay, this is the end of the session, and now you don't need to practice anything today. Just enjoy the day and participate in the celebrations of Chandrayaan 3 success. Okay. Yeah. Do you have any questions now? Any questions? Yeah. If you don't have any questions, okay, that's good. And see you tomorrow again. Bye bye.
Bye bye, sir.